Ano, look. O, blue muna, blue. O, get mo yung blue. Blue. Next, color blue. Next, color blue. Next, go red. Red. Go Hayden. Red. Get mo daw yung red. Very good. Red. Next, green. Color green. Color green. And yellow. Color yellow. Get. Put. Very good. Last one. Last one, Hazen. Last one. Okay. Good job. High five, teacher. High five. Look, oh. Ay, wow. It's a clock. Clock. What is this? Clock. O, put natin yung mga numbers ng clock. O, 1 muna. Get the number 1. 1. Get the number 1. 1. Put it here. Here. 1, 2. 2. Next, number 3. O, get down na number 3. 3. 3. Next, 4. 4. 5. 5. Dito. 5. Here. 6. 6. 7. 7. It's a circle. Circle. Next, 8. 8 is a pentagon. Oopsie. This one. 8. 8. This one. 8. 9 is a star. 10, square. Next, 11. 11. 11 here. Last one, 12. Wow, it's a clock. Clock. High five, teacher. High five. High five. What is this? Hazen, what is this? It's a dragonfly. Tutubi. Tutubi.
Push.
Like push. Slide. Oh, okay. Next, this one. Butterfly. Butterfly. Where is the butterfly? Fly, fly, butterfly. Go. Go. Next, ant. 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 What's the ant? Okay, next. Grasshopper. Grasshopper. Yes, it's a grasshopper. This one. Grasshopper. How about this one? Spider. Spider. Okay, next this one. Ladybug. What is that? Ladybug. Push, push. Slide. Slide. Up. This one. Caterpillar. Go. Caterpillar. Go. Caterpillar. This one. Bee. Saan yung bee? Bee. Here. Okay, next. Snail. Okay, high five. Good job. Wait hands. Wait hands. Wait hands, please. Okay, yellow. Let's put this one. Yellow. color yellow. Line of color yellow. At nagka-count pa, oh. Red.
White.
Red. Color red. Next, red. Red. Okay, color blue. Oopsie. Oopsie, oopsie. Next, color blue. Go, Hazel. Next. Next, this one. Next. Green. Color green naman. Line of color green. Line of color green. Next. Line of color green. Next. Here. Okay, last color, white. Line of color white. Line of color white. Next.
White.
White. White. This one. This one. White. White. Last one. Okay, good job. High five, teacher. What color is this?
White.
Yellow. Red. Oh, wait lang, wait lang. What? Donut? You want the donut? What color is this muna? Blue.
Pink. Pink. White.
Okay, good job. Shapes. Circle. This one.
Red.
Rectangle. Okay, next, how about the triangle? Triangle. Eyes on your work. Push. This one. What shape is this?
White.
Square. Square. Pentagon. Pentagon. Go, Hazel. Okay, next. Circle. Rectangle. Yellow rectangle. Blue triangle. Green square. Next, orange pentagon. Orange pentagon. Okay, next, this one. Circle. Yellow rectangle. Oh! Okay, next. Blue triangle. Next. Green square. Orange pentagon. Okay, next. Red circle. Yellow rectangle. Blue triangle. Ganun. Okay, next. This one. Last two. Square. Square. Next. Oopsie. Uh-oh. I'll get the teacher. Last one. Okay, high five. Good job. Oh, look, what's this? Animals. Oh, put natin yung animals. What is this? Hazel, what is this?
White.
Lion. Where is the lion? Ay, wow. Wow. Slide. Slide. How about this one? What is this? Zebra. Saan daw yung zebra? Zebra. Zebra. Ayun. Oh, fix it. Like this. Slide. Slide. Push. Push. This one. Elephant. Elephant. Very good. How about this one? It's a giraffe. Very good. It's a giraffe. Next. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Wow, kangaroo. Dito. Next, gorilla. Tiger. Tiger. This one. Tiger. The tiger. Okay. Tiger. Next. Fix it. Next. Hippo. Next. Hedgehog. Here. Pag ganun. Go, Hazen. Very good. Monkey. Get the monkey. Get the monkey. Get the monkey. Next. Next. Alligator. Get the alligator. This one. Hazen. No, do not remove this one. Alligator. Go fix it. Fix it. Okay, have a picture. Good job.